This is Lesson F for Photopea, and today you're going to learn how to use images and photos as textures inside of your colored line art. This is the final lesson for learning how to create a digital coloring book or graphic novel. Once you have completed all of the required videos for Photopea, you will know the complete hidden message and can follow its instructions. At that point, you'll be ready to create your Cosmic Creator Challenge. Your coloring book project should be looking great by now, but there is one other way of adding color to a line art drawing. You can find photographs with the right textures and copy them into your color layer using layer masks. First step, go and find a texture you can use. It could be a photo of the sky with clouds, or a rocky surface, or the bark of a tree, or a grassy field, or textured metal. In my case, I need to find some very specific star fields to add into the sky of some of the panels in my continuing graphic novel book. I need to find the Big Dipper, the Summer Triangle, and the constellations of Scorpius and Sagittarius along with the Milky Way. I found good photos online. For each one, I opened it up in Photopea, then used the rectangular marquee tool to select the area that I want to copy. Then I go to my coloring book project and paste the image into a new layer. The next step is to move and resize that image layer so that the photo is covering the area where I want it. I can turn down the layer's opacity so that I can see the background lines. Then, going to the background layer, I use the Magic Wand selection tool and the Add Selection button to click on all the areas where the image will go, in my case, the sky. As before, I expand the selection by 2 pixels, then I click on the photographs layer where I've just pasted it in and turn its opacity back up to 100%. To make a layer mask, there is a button at the bottom of the layer window that looks like a dotted dark circle on a rectangular background. If I click on it, the selected areas will show the image layer, and everywhere else will seem to disappear. What has actually happened is that a new icon appears in my image layer. Where that icon is black, it becomes a hole, showing down to layers underneath. And where that icon is white, it shows the layer that it's on. Think of it as being kind of a digital stencil. This is called a layer mask. Now, all of my panels are colored. We'll discuss how to use the text tool to add text to your speech balloons in a later video. But for now, your project is essentially done. It's looking great. There are many ways in which you can use this technique for creating projects for the Cosmic Creator Challenge. How you approach this is entirely up to you. I hope you have some fun doing this. And remember to keep on learning.